Hello students. Today we discuss the remaining examples in distributions of mechanical tissues. So today we discuss about the mechanical tissue distributions in roots of the pandanus. So these pandanus having the two root system, that is main root system and stilt root system. So in the diagram we discuss about the transverse sections of the stilt root of the pandanus. This is the diagrammatic representation of this pandanus root. In that you have to see there is at the center there is the still, and which still in the cortex region there are strands of the sclerenchyma. So this pandanus plant having the two root system, that is main root systems and stilt root systems. So the stilt root systems of the pandanus are the well developed mechanical tissue systems. So in that stilt root there are many strands of the sclerenchymatous tissues are present in the cortex and pith regions, and these sclerenchymatous patches, they forms the flages of the eye shaped girdles, and these cortical cells forms the wave of the eye shaped girdle. So these mechanical tissues in the pandanus stilt root is in flexicon form, that is eye shaped girdle, and in between these sclerenchymatous tissues of the cortex and pith, they form the flages, and these cortical cells forms the wave of the eye-shaped girdle. So in the cellular forms of these stilt root of the pandanus shows the different cells. So you seen in this figure, the outer layer is epidermis. This epidermis layer is followed by the hypodermis. Then below to the hypodermis, the cortex region is focused, and in that cortex region the sclerenchyma patches are there. In the next to this cortex region, the endodermis is present, and in that endodermis the phloem and xylems are there, and then also in pith region again the sclerenchyma patches are there. So these sclerenchyma patches in the cortex and pith regions, they forms the flages, and these they form the flages, and the cortical cells forms the wave of this eye-shaped girdle. So this is the structures of this is the tissues, mechanical tissue distribution in the stilt root of the pandanus plants. In that, the stilt root having the well developed mechanical tissue distribution, and in that the eye-shaped girdles type of mechanical tissue distribution will be observed. In next video, we discuss the other examples of these mechanical tissue distributions.